Hey, what's up? How's it going? Hope you're having a good day. So, I'm here to report on my tests. I've been testing now the DTF ink from LCL. Yes, LCL DTF white ink. I don't have any color from them. I just tested the white ink because that's the only thing I bought from them. And if you watch my white ink LCL DTF video, LCL. That's the one I bought. And let me show it to you. This thing. Been testing it out. And I've got to say, let me show you, I'm showing it to you printing. It actually prints really nice. Yeah. It's good quality ink. But this is my first purchase, so take that with a grain of salt. I will be purchasing again eventually, but you know, I like to give them a period of time before I buy again. But so far I haven't had a problem with them. It's compared to that Pro Color ink I bought, this is way better, way better. All right, so I'm gonna have to say, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up to LCL white ink. You need some ink, you can buy the LCL white ink. I'll show you the print when it finished printing on the back of it, what it looks like. I haven't had a problem, I'm telling you. It prints great. The printer likes it. Printer like it? I like it. What else can I say? The printer like it, so I like it. Let me show you in the bottle. See, there's in the bottle. It really is nice. It really is a nice ink. It's a nice ink. I can't complain. It holds up well in the bottle. And I was shaking the crap out of it. I just was shaking the crap out of it a while ago, so it's kind of foamy. See? Pretty foamy in there. I was shaking the crap out of it a while ago. I didn't have to shake it this much, but yeah, the bubbles are popping. Yeah, see, the bubbles are all popping. There were like really big bubbles in there a while ago. They're all popping off. So yeah, it's pretty good ink. I can't complain. Printer like it, I like it. See? I don't know if you can see it. See it? All the bubbles, all the big bubbles are popping off. See, it's settling already. Nice and settled. So it's really good ink. It really is good ink. I can't complain too much about it. So, if you need some ink, LCL white ink, I haven't had a problem with it. Printer really likes it. So, you need some ink in a pinch, you can go for that one. Alright? And when it finished prints, I'm going to show you at the end of this video what it looks like after it finished printing. Give me a minute. Okay, so I told you I was going to show you the video. My camera's all crooked. I don't know why it's crooked. I don't know. I don't know. It's crooked for some reason. Alright, let me turn it off. I'll be right back. Oh. There it goes. Done being crooked. Ain't that something? Okay, so I wanted to show you the print, that LCL white print. Watch this. Look at that, right? Looks good, right? That's what I'm talking about. That's that white ink coming from the LCL. Told you that white ink from the LCL. Good stuff. Now here's another one. Here's it printing out, and there's the white. Beautiful white. Look at that. See that? Nice, right? So, LCL white ink, yeah, good stuff. So, till next time, peace.